Welcome to this quick guide on editing your homepage template in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through the WordPress interface and make quick edits to your homepage in about 5 minutes. The process is simple and straightforward, ensuring you get familiar with your website's dashboard and editing tools as smoothly as possible. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, you will immediately notice an option to login located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this login option initiates the secure process of accessing your account. Instead of entering a separate username and password, you will have the option to continue using your Google account. Selecting the Continue with Google option streamlines the process, as you simply choose the appropriate Google account from the list offered. This method not only simplifies logging in, but also enhances security by leveraging your existing Google credentials. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your website. One of the central areas you will work with is the Pages section. In this part of the dashboard, you have a complete overview of all the pages on your website. Look for a link that takes you to Pages. This is your gateway to editing various components of your website. Once you click on the Pages section, you enter an organized view where all existing pages are listed in a clear, manageable format. Within the Pages section, your focus now shifts to the home page. On the right side of the interface, you will see a clearly labeled link for editing the home page. Clicking on this link opens the specialized editing interface dedicated to your homepage template. This interface provides you with all the tools you need to update content, adjust layouts, and fine-tune the overall design. Whether you want to alter text elements, replace images, or modify the layout, this interface is equipped to handle your customizations quickly and efficiently. Now that you have located the homepage editing link and clicked it, you are ready to start editing your homepage template. Simply click on the homepage template itself within the editing area to put it in edit mode. This action opens up a range of customization options that are specifically arranged to give you complete control over the look and feel of your homepage. It is important to remember that the homepage represents the first impression visitors have of your website, so take your time to make thoughtful and deliberate updates that express the personality and purpose of your site. As you proceed with your edits, be sure to save your changes frequently so you can review your work and make adjustments as needed. The user-friendly interface is designed to help even beginners navigate the editing process with ease. By following these instructions step by step, you will gradually build familiarity with the WordPress environment and enhance your confidence in managing your website. This practice not only ensures a smooth workflow, but also transforms your site into a visually appealing and functional resource for your visitors. Enjoy customizing your homepage and watch as your website comes to life.